Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. Today I'm out here roaming around in Ocala National Forest located in central Florida. And I'm hiking along this area called the St. Francis Trail. And it's a very interesting place. A lot of fascinating history in this area. During the 1800s, there was actually a town here called St. Francis. Today the town is long gone and nature has reclaimed this area. It's a great place to explore, go off the beaten path and just get away from it all and take a journey back into the past. It's a nice footbridge here. Getting deeper into the woods out here. And this area here is a little more elevated along the swamps. This trail that I'm on may have been one of the old town roads that was used during those times. A lot of beautiful nature to experience as you hike out here. Back on this path here, and this was one of the old roads that led into town, going this direction here. I'm out here exploring along these areas, and I can just imagine walking into town right here over 100 years ago. Wow, take a look at this. The remains of an old cypress tree here. It's a fairly large one. Take a look at this. You can see some of the old saw marks here, cut marks. Some really nice views here along the river. Getting close to the town site. Not exactly sure where the official town was, but this is a general location. You wouldn't tell by looking at it today, but this was once a booming area. Out here by the St. Johns River. So beautiful here. See some old pilings out there. Old well out here. Water is pretty cold. So right here is one of the main roads that went into the town. And as I'm exploring out here, I'm looking on either side of me, and I'm just surrounded by woods, but all in there could have been the town site or some of the buildings associated with the town. Maybe over here as well, but everything's all grown over. So it's really hard to pinpoint the exact area where the town was. Here's another part of the trail. And I didn't come in from this way. This leads you in a different direction, but does loop back to the trailhead. Someone wrote this: "Watch for bears, got freed." There are bears out in these areas. So I'm going to explore that part of the forest another time. I'm going to continue down this road here to where I originally came in at.